There was a crow which was very thirsty. He searched for a water everywhere. At last, he saw a water pot. He looked inside the pot. There was very little water in the pot. The crow saw some stone. He thought a plan. He picked up some stones. He put them one by one into the pot. The water level in the pot came up. The crow drank water and flew happily.
In a moment of fright, Lion and the Mouse and a nightly pair, big and small, they learn to care. Lion and the Mouse in the jungle wide, friendship can grow no matter the size. A tiny mouse with teeth so small chewed through the rope, saved the lion from a fall. The lion smiled.
चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई, बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ, हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही